Now, our next topic is what is an axis. Before that, students, I want to tell you that it was very difficult earlier for the map makers to study the earth, as there was not any way to study the earth. So, they made a globe, which is the model of the earth. Still, they were having so many difficulties to study the earth. So, what they did, they draw some imaginary lines on the globe. Actually, there is not a single line which is drawn on the earth, as it is impossible for anyone to draw any line on the earth. So, they draw some imaginary lines on the globe to study the earth. Now, what are those imaginary lines? Those imaginary lines are axis, equator, latitudes, and longitudes. These are imaginary lines. They are not actually drawn on Earth. They are drawn only on the globes and map, on globe or map. So these are the imaginary lines which are drawn to help the map makers to study about the earth. And the first one is axis. Now what is an axis? Axis is an imaginary line around which the earth rotates. It is that line on which the earth is moving all the time. I hope you know all that our earth is moving all the time very slowly. The movement is so slow that we can't even feel. But it is moving all the time. It is moving on its axis. Axis is an imaginary line which passes through the two ends of the globe. The two ends of the globe are North Pole and South Pole. So our earth is moving all the time on its axis, on this imaginary line which is called an axis. And this movement of the earth is called rotation. Do you know, students, this rotation causes day and night? How? As we know that earth is moving all the time, so we can see the part of the earth which comes in front of the sun, that place will be having day, and part of the earth which is beyond the sun will be having night. Likewise, when the earth moves and when this part will come in front of the sun, this part will be having day, and this part, when it will move and go at the back, this part will be having night. As our earth is moving all the time, so it causes this movement of the earth, which is called rotation, causes day and night, as the part of the earth which comes in front of the sun, that place will be having day, and part of the earth which is beyond the sun will be having night. So this is about the axis. Now the next imaginary line is equator. Equator is also an imaginary line which is drawn on the globe. It is that line which passes through the center of the globe. You can see here in the diagram also. This is the equator which is passing exactly from the center of the globe. It is not actually drawn on earth, but it is actually drawn on the globe. And it is very important line, as it divides the earth into two equal parts. This is our North Pole, this is our South Pole. And equator is very important as it divides the earth into two equal parts. The part of the earth from equator to the North Pole is called northern hemisphere, and the part of the earth from equator to the south pole is southern hemisphere. So it is that important line which divides the earth or globe into two equal parts. The upper part is called northern hemisphere and the lower part is called southern hemisphere. So this is what about the equator.